Hi everyone. So today we are at Runwal My City residential project located in Dombivali, Mumbai. So this entire township is sprawled over 156 acres of land. So here you can take the view of Runwal Vista city. So it's in ready to move phase. And there is 32 acres of open space across the entire township. And here we are showing you Runwal Smart City cluster. And the possession is expected to be given in the next year. And this we are showing you the proposed site for mall and commercial complex. And that's the school building which is under construction stage. And those are the elevated towers of Smart City. And we are here on the wide road. And there you can see the proposed site for Blossom City cluster. So this township serves excellent connectivity as Dombivali railway station is just 5 kilometers away. And that's the main entrance of the project. And if we talk about the configurations, it offers 1, 2 and 3 BHK flats for the residents. So friends, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. For more real estate videos and updates, you can subscribe to our channel. And for site visit and queries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.